thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the May Good Vibes Scribe box. Can't wait to see what's in here. I love the message of this box. So like the name implies, this box is supposed to send good vibes your way. It actually says sending you good vibes only on this fun box. So if you don't know what this is, it is a monthly subscription. It costs $45 per month. I will leave the link down below. I will also leave down below a promo code I have to get you an extra gift in your May box. So if you're interested in subscribing, definitely take advantage of that. Yeah, let's get this open and see what's inside. I think we're all in some need of some good vibes lately. When I open up the box, this is what I see. So right on top there is a card. It says May 2020 Featured Products Overview. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about these wonderful gifts you have just received. And then on the inside they give you a bunch of information about each item and tell you more about the company. So I love that this box supports local businesses and all the items inside should make us feel good. So let's get started. I'm so excited about the first item I see because I had something similar and it just died out on me. This is the Happy Wax Outlet Plug-in Wax Warmer. I have a wax warmer and I think the light bulb inside of it just like died or something like that, but it hasn't been working. So you just plug this into your wall. It says it features a no scrape silicone melting dish, plugs into any standard 3-prong outlet. And it looks like it's super cute. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I'll pull it out in just a second. I've heard great things about the Happy Wax company. So on the other side of the box it says flame-free fun. Wax warmers offer a flame-free alternative to candle burning, making them safe to use even in dorms or hospital rooms. Healthy fragrances. Our soy wax melts are formulated to naturally emit fragrance faster and longer than average candles. And then customizable scents. Our fun-shaped wax melts make it easy to mix your favorite fragrances to create scents all on your own. So all of their waxes come in a little bear shape. So in here it includes the no scrape silicone melting dish, easy on-off switch. I wonder if we get wax melts too to go with it. So here's a little silicone top that goes right on it. That's where you put your melts. Isn't this so pretty? The other one I had, I must have had it since like December because it had a Christmas theme. This is so cute. I love the colors. So yeah, you just plug this right into your wall and here is the on and off switch here. Oh, and it looks like we should get some wax melts as well. Let's find those. Here they are. So Happy Wax Soy Melt, and this is in the scent Coastal Tide. I have a feeling I will love this. So it says infused with essential oils, you get more than 60-hour burn time. So add 1 to 2 pieces of wax to the warmer dish, power on and enjoy. So you can, if you have other wax melts, you can mix and match the scents. So let's get this open. I want to smell it. It smells so good. I was hoping it would smell like this. I pretty much love any scent that has like coastal or anything with water in the title. So this is what one of the little bears looks like. It smells so good. I love that it comes in this resealable bag so you can just store them in here. And let's see, so everyone received Happy Wax Water Cooler Outlet Warmer and wax melts, and the type of fragrance you received varies. So you could have received it in Mango Daiquiri, Citron Mandarin, Island Driftwood, and Coastal Tide, which is what I received, and I'm really happy with the scent I got. Yay! They all sound so good though. So it says, Happy Wax started at a meeting with a policeman who loved making candles in his free time. During a meeting, he showed his gummy bear shaped melts and Happy Wax began. Happy Wax is the first brand committed to making wax melting fun, easy, and healthy. Their wax warmers are innovative and designed to make wax melting a painless process. Their no scrape silicone dish allows you to switch between wax scents quickly and effortlessly. Happy Wax has unique warmers designed to fit every taste and style. We hope you love this watercolor warmer as much as we do. We also included a few scents of Happy Wax gummy bear melts. We understand you're probably missing social interactions, so we hope to fill your home with tropical scents that remind you of warm weather and great times with friends and the beach. And if you are a 6-month or 12-month subscriber, meaning you pay for more months at a time, you got to customize this item, or if you're a premium member. So you can pay $5 more a month and you get to customize your box. But yeah, I'm so happy with this. Now on to the next item. It looks like we have some beautiful earrings. This is what they look like. Oh wait, let me get it out of the bag so it doesn't flex back at you. So these are the Mata Traders blue scallop studs. So you could have received the blue scallop studs that I have here, or you could have received a different kind, the teal full circle studs. I think these are so cute. It says fashion for a better world, made in India by artisans who receive a fair wage and work in safe conditions. I love these so much. They're so pretty and I love blue. So Mata Traders began as three best friends with a serious case of wanderlust who set out on an around-the-world adventure and landed in Mother India for 4 months. Enamored with the culture, markets, and colorful textiles, they vowed to make the country a part of their life story. A love affair with India has evolved into Mata Traders, a design-driven, fair trade fashion brand helping to end global poverty and inspire consumers to change the fashion industry. Made by artisans in India and Nepal, their carefully original design provide a stable source of income for families in economically disadvantaged communities. The Mata Traders' mission is to fashion a better world by creating designs that celebrate women's originality and empower her to use her dollar for change. They merge uncommonly vibrant styles with fair trade practices to make an impact on global poverty, bringing fair wages to artisans in India and Nepal. Enjoy these blue scallop studs or teal full circle studs for a fresh spring vibe. Teal or blue and gold are the perfect combination of colors. Pair these stud earrings with a vibrant pink dress or top for a fun and bubbly look. I'm wearing like a pink and red dress right now, if you can see. And this is another item you would have been able to customize. So I'll show you the picture, hopefully you can see, that shows you the other variation item. Yeah, so far I love this box so much. These are so pretty. The next item, this is by Rinse Bath & Body Co. It's the Handytizer All Natural Spray Hand Cleaner. Oh my gosh, this is such a perfect item for right now. All Natural Spray Hand Cleaner helps to clean skin and spots on the go. This is made with tea tree and lavender essential oils and witch hazel. It says shake before you use it. So this is another customizable option. So it looks like I got it in tea tree and lavender, but you also could have gotten this in orange and lemon or rosemary and peppermint. Shake it. And then I think you just put it on your hands like a hand sanitizer. Oh my god, this is such a nice thing to get because I think we all know it's hard to get your hands on any type of hand sanitizer, so I'm so grateful for this. But anyways, it says Rinse Bath & Body Co. started in 2002 when a girl named Heather couldn't knit. She was in desperate need of a creative outlet, a hobby. She taught herself to knit, but didn't knit anything other than squares and rectangles. Enter soap making. Heather took a class with her ever so crafty mom. She can do just about anything that has anything to do with crafting. They stood side by side, melting, mixing, and stirring their soap. The next day when they uncovered their concoctions, Heather's soap was perfect. Ironically enough, her mom's soap didn't turn out, and she was hooked. After much trial and error, she perfected her products as they started to sell very quickly. Rinse is still very much a family business, now located in Monroe, Georgia. All of their products are still produced in small batches to ensure the quality and freshness. You may wonder how they get it all done, with the help of moms, of course. A blend of pure essential oils, Rinse Handytizer is a spray-on cleaner that is great for on-the-go natural cleaning. Their Handytizer is essential oil and witch hazel based and enriched with moisturizing oils to keep your skin from drying out. It's also great for cleaning surfaces. Just a spritz or two as needed will do the trick. We thought you can all appreciate an extra bit of cleanliness with the current state of our environment. Stay well. Thank you so much. I'm so excited that we got this. This box might be my favorite, and we still have 2 more items to go. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize we got even more of the Happy Wax Soy Melts. This one's in Citron Mandarin. Oh my god, I can't believe I missed that. Oh, I love that we get 2 bags. This will last so long getting 2 bags. Let's take a sniff of these. I don't know how I didn't realize that. So these little bears are orange. They smell so good. Just like the name suggests, very citrus smelling. So excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move on to the next. For the next item, we have actually 3 things here, and these are all by Seriously Shea. So the first thing is a foot soak. This is to soothe and soften. It's made with peppermint, eucalyptus, essential oils. It comforts tired, achy feet. It's refreshing and rejuvenating aroma. And to use this, you sprinkle the contents into a basin of warm water to relax your feet after a long day of work or play. Enjoy the invigorating aroma. And this is 100% natural, it's vegan, and not tested on animals. And the next item by this company is an Epsom soak. It says stress less. This is made with jasmine, rosemary, essential oils. It's supposed to comfort tired, achy muscles, calming and peaceful aroma. And to use this, you sprinkle the contents into a warm bath and you relax after a long day of work or play and enjoy the delicate aroma. And again, all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. And the last thing by Seriously Shea we have here is a lip scrub, and this is in the scent Aloha. So this is what it looks like. And it says, a sweet treat to exfoliate and hydrate dry lips. Use a small amount of gentle scrub on your lips and wipe off any excess. Let's take a sniff. So there's a safety seal. I'm loving all like the tropical coastal scents today. Nice. I actually was just talking about lip scrub in the video I filmed earlier today, saying how I forgot to exfoliate my lips today. But let's learn more about Seriously Shea. It says, Seriously Shea is a mother and son team from Las Vegas who use natural ingredients including 100% shea butter and essential oils to hand make their products in the USA. Seriously Shea's mission is to create conversation and to help eliminate the shame and stigma surrounding mental illness, which 1 in 4 people suffer from. As they state in their story, they are part of that statistic as they lost their much-loved brother and uncle to alcohol addiction and mental illness. They go on to state that their products do not take away wrinkles or make you look 10 years younger. They do, however, remind you to take time for yourself, take a step back, relax, and breathe. They want to encourage you to ask for help when you need it, as it is a sign of enormous strength rather than weakness. They donate a portion of all sales to mental health organizations and programs for adults and youth. Their mission is one we can definitely relate to. We all know it's been a while since your last salon visit, so treat yourself to a warm foot soak that soothes, softens, and relaxes with a cool minty aroma of eucalyptus and peppermint. Next, based in the powerful jasmine and rosemary combination of pure Epsom salt bath soak infused with essential oils. It soothes tired, achy muscles to relax and rejuvenate after a long day of work or play. Your lips need love too. Seriously Shea's lip scrub is made with real sugar to soothe and soften dry lips. Awesome. And this is another one you could have customized. It seems like you could have customized every single item in this box, again, if you're a premium member or if you pay for a 6 or 12 month plan at a time. So I received my lip scrub in Aloha, but you could have chosen to get it in blue raspberry. And our last item here is a nail polish, and look, it pretty much matches the nail color I put on last night. It might be a little different, but it's so cool. I clearly like the color. So this is by Clean Co. It's the Gel Effect Polish. And you could have either gotten in this color, which they call pastel teal, or you could have gotten in neon pink. And it says Clean Color provides women of all ages with a wide selection of on-trend cosmetics. They're headquartered in Ontario, California, a Los Angeles suburb with a finger on the pulse of fashion-forward style. Wait, did I Ontario, California? When I said Ontario in my head, I thought I said Canada. I don't know if I did, but Ontario, California is a place. I never knew that. They believe in offering quality products that everyone can afford with an emphasis on bold, playful color choices. Clean Color is committed to your individual beauty and encourages creative self-expression. With our diverse selection of makeup and tools, you can be sure to find the products that will complete your perfect look. With over 19 years of experience, Clean Color is taking clean pride in providing the cleanest quality products at wallet-friendly prices. Clean Color is not just our name, it's our promise. After treating yourself to a nice foot or body soak, brush on some nail polish for a fresh spring vibe. I really do like this color. It's a little bit different than what I have on, but you can kind of get a sense of what that will look like. And again, you could have customized this and gotten the pink, which is right there. You guys, this is my favorite month of Good Vibes Scribe for sure. I think I'm the most excited about the wax melt and the wax warmer because I was in need of a new one, and it's so cute and the scents are amazing, and I've heard such good things about Happy Wax soy melts. I've never tried them personally and everything sounds good. Like the Jewelry is beautiful. The bath stuff, great. I think they did a really good job curating this box. If you guys subscribe and get the free gift, I would love to know what you get. Again, all the information will be down below. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well, safe and healthy. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.